let's discuss about a marriage. So the marriage has been done, and it was done when the girl wasn't in proper condition. Means she was quite mad and she was drunk and she don't have any sense, a sleepy type. At that time, the man like her, choiced her and got married with her. This is totally illegal, in Indian rule or whatever. And also in Puran, mythological books of Hindu, it is said that this kind of marriage have no value. Means there the girl is not in her proper condition. Means she was sleeping, or she was drunk, or she was quite mad like. So what kind of marriage it is? Which is totally illegal and immoral type. It's no have no morals, moralless. So it is said that it is a kind of marriage is known as Pishach marriage. Here the evil spirit only can do like this type of marriage. So मतलब इसका कोई होशो हवास नहीं था, लड़की का कोई भी होशो हवास में नहीं था. लड़की wasn't in her proper condition. She don't have any sense, like when she wasn't awake, she was not in her proper mind condition, she wasn't so it's not like that she wasn't drunk, she was also drunk. So at that time somebody like her and got married with her. So this kind of marriage have no value in this art. It's known as Pishach marriage. And when somebody is mad, then it is not considered a proper relation with a mad person. पागल किसी का कोई रिलेशन नहीं होता, पागल सिर्फ पागल ही होता है. पागल कोई माँ नहीं होता, पागल कोई बाप नहीं होता, पागल कोई भाई नहीं होता, पागल कोई बहन नहीं होता. पागल सिर्फ पागल ही होता है. और पागल तभी होता है जब हेल कर्स्ड हो कुछ, समथिंग इज वेरी हेलमेट and is hell. So what is known as this kind of marriages is known as Pishaj marriages, and after life it is something when it is a great bonding in between them, then the hell person take it to the hell and it goes to hell at last. So वही आत्मा है जो भटकता रहता है और वही जो किसी के अंदर घुस जाता है, वॉर करता है, something like this. It can be with anything, anybody who human, who life can enter in you, can enter in me, something like this. This is the kind of spirit what we see around, Max.